Hi, Pencilish people. Here's a really quick behind the scenes of how to run a virtual studio in the 2000s. This is a modern studio and we're virtual. So this is my office. This is kind of the hub of Pencilish. But also, how do I direct multiple shows simultaneously, some being done all over the world? So Bjorn the Last Unicorn is being done here in Nashville. So locally to me, but all in different houses around Nashville, just like Disney in Burbank. And so we also have Juju Brain, and that's being done in New Zealand by Muck Putty Studios. And then we have our other show, Mind Over Murphy, which is being done in Spain. So how do I keep it all together and organized with my producer? Let me show you really quick. Across my office here is my Cintiq, and it's a big Wacom that I can draw on. And by the way, if you hear snoring, that's because of these two, the two pugs over there. So they're my office mates. And this is a software, actually it's a website called Sync Sketch. And it's open, it's basically created for virtually having a studio like this. And it's a wonderful project management, but also artistically creative way to share notes. As you can see, we have our own projects area here. Here's Era Lucha, Bjorn episode 2, which is done, Bjorn episode 3 approvals, and we even have Juju Brain and Mind Over Murphy. So I can go here to episode 3. We're already in production on episode 3. Let me give you a little sneak peek. And we can, let's see, I'll hit this one. And that'll take me to this, this scene from Bjorn. As you can see, this is the first rough pass of it. I'll show you really quick. And there's sound playing and everything. She just giggles. That's Becca giggling and taking a picture. But then I can go to the newest version of it. So there's different versions. Now she's all cleaned up, right? And nice, right? So that one is approved. And I'll just do a quick email just to tell the artist that that's approved. Now we go back here to this page. What I really need to do today is do a review of Juju Brain episode 2, but I'll jump over here to Mind Over Murphy. Again, another little preview. This is Mind Over Murphy episode 2. And as you can see over here, there's a lot of versions that have been done, and we're up to test 13 now, which is pretty much a final test. We still have backgrounds to be finished. But as you can see on the timeline here, I could shoot through, this is the episode right here, and I'm not going to show very much of it, but I can shoot through the whole thing really quickly and get to a section and play it.
Whoa. Hey, oh, my bad. Oh my God, that was...
But as you can see here, I've made some notes here for Diego, our artist, where I could do draw-overs and say, oh, in this frame, you need to go wider on the eyes, and that mouth needs to be even bigger to kind of go with these with the dialogue. So I've already gone over this one. I want the eyebrows to come down. I want the mouth to be bigger, and so I've kind of already done a little bit of rough animation over this. And so that goes right to Spain, and actually he can see it instantaneously as I'm doing the work. So if this is becoming a commercial for Sync Sketch, it's because I really, really love this program. And then we go to Juju Brain, and we already have episode 2 going, and there's episode 1. The whole episode's already done. Here's episode 2. And when we go to that, I can now review the whole episode. And this is where we are right now with Juju Brain. So I'm about to review that right now. I'm not going to show anything yet. This comes out, Juju Brain episode 2 comes out this next month. So we're really excited about that. We're in the final stages. I hope you enjoyed that little Labor Day preview. It's Labor Day weekend this weekend, and I hope you enjoyed that preview. And really consider investing in Pencilish Animation Studios. We're doing things differently, but also traditionally at the same time. We're not giving up all the great things I learned at Disney. we're applying those in a new way to a new audience. Thanks.